Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a silhouette of a person and place it on the moon or wherever you want to place the silhouette. I'm just going to select this image right here and I'm going to select cutout and I'm going to select the auto cutout button. I will then place it on top like this and I'm going to go to stickers and I'm going to type in maybe planet, maybe moon, or wherever you want the silhouette to be in. The sun, maybe? Okay, I think the only good option we have is the moon. This one looks realistic. Okay, I'm just going to place it underneath like that. Then I'm going to select this guy and I'm going to go to adjustments here. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to turn down this saturation. I'm going to turn down brightness, up the contrast, turn down highlight, turn down shadows, turn down whites, turn down blacks. And that is it. If it's not enough, what I suggest you doing is you will have to right click and compound clip and do it again to make it even darker. But as you can see, this is enough. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!